Crash course on K-means clustering for business analytics and top 12 business applications. K-means clustering is a popular unsupervised machine learning algorithm used for clustering data points. It is a simple and efficient way to group data into clusters based on their similarities. The algorithm works by first selecting a number of clusters, K, and then assigning each data point to the nearest cluster center. The mean of all the data points in each cluster is then calculated to determine the new cluster centers. This process is repeated until the cluster centers no longer move. The elbow method is a technique used to determine the optimal number of clusters, K, for K-means clustering. It works by plotting the sum of squared distances between the data points and their assigned cluster centers for different values of K. The plot will have a shape resembling an elbow, and the optimal K value is where the curve starts to flatten out. As an example, we can use the iris dataset, which contains measurements for the length and width of the sepals and petals of 3 different species of iris flowers. We can use K-means clustering to group the flowers based on their measurements. To do this, we first import the necessary libraries and load the dataset. Python code. Import pandas as pd. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. From sklearn.cluster import kmeans. From sklearn.datasets import load_iris. Iris equals load_iris. X equals pd. Data frame iris.data, columns equals iris.feature_names. Next, we use the elbow method to determine the optimal number of clusters. Python code. Sum_of_squared_distances equals. K equals range 1, 15. For K in K. Km equals kmeans n_clusters equals K. Km equals km.fit x. Sum_of_squared_distances.append km.inertia_. plt.plot k, sum_of_squared_distances, bx. plt.label k. plt.label sum of squared distances. plt.title elbow method for optimal k. plt.show. We can see that the elbow of the plot is around k equals 3, indicating that 3 clusters would be optimal for this dataset. Finally, we can visualize the clusters using a scatter plot. Python code. Km equals kmeans n_clusters equals 3. Km.fit x. X cluster equals km.labels_. Fig x equals plt.subplots fig size equals 8, 6. Colors equals red, green, blue. For I in range 3. Clustered_data equals x cluster equals I. X.scatter clustered_data.illic 0, clustered_data.illic 1, C equals colors I, label equals cluster I. X.scatter km.cluster_centers_0, km.cluster_centers_1, S equals 200, C equals black, label equals centroids. X.legend. X.set_is label sepal length. X.set_label sepal width. plt.show. This produces a scatter plot where each point is colored based on its assigned cluster and the centroids are marked with black circles. Some interesting applications of K-means clustering in business analytics include customer segmentation, fraud detection, and market basket analysis. Here are the top 12 popular business applications for business analytics. 1. Customer segmentation. 2. Fraud detection. 3. Market basket analysis. 4. Churn prediction. 5. A/B testing. 6. Sentiment analysis. 7. Forecasting. 8. Personalized recommendations. 9. Price optimization. 10. Customer lifetime value analysis. 11. Inventory optimization. 12. Supply chain management. In summary, K-means clustering is a popular unsupervised learning algorithm used in data science and machine learning. The algorithm works by partitioning a dataset into K number of clusters based on the distance between data points. The optimal number of clusters can be determined using the elbow method. To illustrate the concept, the iris dataset was used as a working example, and the results were visualized using Python's matplotlib library. Business analytics is a rapidly growing field that involves using data and statistical methods to analyze and make informed decisions. There are numerous applications for business analytics in various industries, including healthcare, finance, marketing, and more. In conclusion, K-means clustering is a valuable tool for businesses and researchers looking to analyze large datasets and gain insights from them. Understanding the algorithm and its applications can help individuals make better informed decisions and ultimately lead to improved business outcomes. Here is a poem on K-means clustering for business analytics to help you remember. K-means clustering, the algorithm of choice. In the world of data, where insights rejoice. Unsupervised learning, with clusters we play. To reveal hidden patterns, in a meaningful way. With distance as our guide, we group and divide. Data points in space, by their traits we derive. The elbow method helps, to determine the K. Optimal clusters, to guide our way. In business analytics, it's a powerful tool. To unlock new insights, and make decisions cool. Marketing, finance, and healthcare too. K-means clustering, helps us see things anew. So embrace the power, of this clustering feat. Let the data guide you, to achieve business elite. K-means clustering, a valuable gem. For unlocking insights, and unraveling them. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. A = 7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.